Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have received the pedestal fan. As you know, it's summer in UK, so we have ordered this pedestal fan from Geepas and we are going to unbox it. Let's start. It's a Geepas 16-inch metal stand fan. It has 4-piece aluminum blades. It has 3 speed functions, right and left oscillation, powerful motor which is 50 watt. Let's unbox it. The packing is very good. That is the base, grills and fan. This is the rod. And that's the motor. This is the stand weight. Let's unwrap it. That is the metal stand. Quite light in weight. The rod. It's an adjustable rod. See, you can extend the height. This is the metal weight for the stand. This is the motor. Three speed function, 1, 2, 3. This is the oscillating function. You have, when you push it, it will oscillate. These are the metal wings, but they're very light in weight. And these are the grills. This is the rear grill. This is the front grill. You can see. The outer tube. This is the locking screw. We are unscrewing the locking screw from the outer tube. Okay, now we have the locking screw. Now we are placing the weight and putting this locking screw. And placing this outer rod like this, and now we are screwing it back. So in this way, this stand will be fixed to the outer tube, and now we'll tighten it. This stand is now firmly placed. Now we are unscrewing this knob. Now we have removed this screw so that we can place the motor. We are placing this motor on top of this. We have mounted this motor on top of the inner rod. Now we are unscrewing these screws so that we can mount the rear grille. One by one, there are 4 screws. You can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'll unscrew them and mount the rear grille. And now we are mounting this rear grille and screwing it. We'll screw it and then show it. Rear grille has been mounted. Placing these wings. Now the screw is lined up. Now we are placing this small bolt. Let's lock all the clamps. We have assembled the fan. Now we will test it and see how it performs. Change the speed of oscillation. This is off. This is number 1, number 2, this is number 3. Okay, this is the fast speed. It's at number 3. It was difficult to assemble. The parts were not very good quality, but it's fine. The price and the quality is okay. It was around 50 pounds. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon so you can receive future notifications. Thank you for watching.